Hello everyone and welcome to this tutorial on how to disable comments in WordPress for single post or for all posts. WordPress is a powerful platform that gives you full control over your website, and in this video I will show you how to manage comments on your site. Whether you want to turn off comments for a single post or for all of your posts, I will guide you through the process step by step. Let's get started. So step 1, let's go to your dashboard. In your WordPress dashboard, navigate to that post you want to disable comments for. Let's suppose this post, and select this post and edit it, apply, and you can see comment option here, and you can allow comments on this post or also do not allow this. I will select second option and click on update. Do not forget to save your changes by clicking the update button. So view your post on front end. You can see there is no comments option here. If I see any other post, so you can see here is a comment option. So how to disable comments for all posts? Select all posts and click on bulk actions, and click on edit and apply. You can also select the do not allow and update. So our post is updated, and let's refresh this page. So there is no comment box now. So okay, how we can disable comments from settings, and go to discussions. You can see here is allow people to submit comments on new posts. Uncheck this option and save that changes. So now when you add new post, there will be no comment option available. That's it. Whether you want to turn off comments for a single post or for all of your posts, WordPress make it easy to manage comments on your website. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment below. Thanks for watching, and until next time, happy WordPressing.